Let us continue about the agriculture lesson in this part 2 video. In the part 1 we saw about the importance of agriculture to India and the different types of farming which is practiced in India, and also the cropping pattern or the cropping seasons. And in this part now we are going to see about the different crops which are grown in India, their geographical requirements and the distribution of these crops. Shall we? A variety of food crops and non-food crops are grown in different parts of the country depending upon the variations in soil, climate and cultivation practices. Major crops grown in India are rice, wheat, millets, maize, pulses, sugarcane, oilseeds, tea, coffee, and then some horticulture crops, rubber, fiber crops like cotton, jute. So around 51 major crops are produced in our country. So let us see about each one of them now. Rice is a staple food crop of majority of the people in India. India is the second largest producer in the world after China. Rice is a kharif crop which requires high temperature, say about 25 degrees Celsius, and a high humidity with annual rainfall of above 100 cm. It grows in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and deltaic regions. Development of dense network of canal irrigation and tube wells made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall. Say after the construction of Indira Gandhi Canal, Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan also produces the rice. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop. It's a main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country. Wheat requires cool growing season and bright sunshine at ripening time. It requires 50 to 75 centimeters of annual rainfall evenly distributed over the growing season. The important wheat growing zones are Ganga Satluj plains and black soil regions in Deccan. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Now we will see about the different types of millets. Jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Though these are known as coarse grains, they have high nutritional value. Ragi is rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrients and roughage. It is a crop of dry region and grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow soils. Karnataka is the largest producer, followed by Tamil Nadu. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh are also important ragi producing states. Jowar is the second most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is a rain-fed crop grown in moist areas. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar, followed by Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Bajra is the last millet in this group, which grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Another important food crop is maize. Maize is used both as a food crop and also a fodder crop. It is a kharif crop which requires temperature between 21 to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in alluvial soil. In states like Bihar, It is grown as a rabi crop also. Use of modern inputs like HYV seeds, that is high yielding variety seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Pulses. India is the largest producer as well as a consumer of pulses in the world. These are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Major pulses grown in India are tur, that is called arhar, urad, moong, masoor, peas, and grams. Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry conditions. All these crops except arhar help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the atmosphere, because of which it is grown in rotation with other crops. So that's why it's called as a leguminous plant. Pulses are leguminous plants which fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere to the soil. Major pulses producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Sugarcane is a tropical as well as subtropical crop. It grows well in hot and humid climate with a temperature between 21 to 27 degrees Celsius and needs an annual rainfall between 75 to 100 centimeter. It can be grown on variety of soils and needs manual labor from sowing to harvesting. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane after Brazil. Sugarcane is a main source of sugar, jaggery, kansari, and molasses. The major sugarcane producing states in India are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, and Haryana. Tea is an example of plantation crop. It's an important beverage crop introduced in India by British. Tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates endowed with deep and fertile, well-drained soil, rich in humus and organic matter. Tea bushes require warm and moist-free climate throughout the year. Tea requires abundant, cheap, and skilled labor so that they pluck the leaves from the tea bushes. Tea is processed within the tea garden to restore its freshness. Major tea producing states are Assam, hills of Darjeeling, and Jalpaiguri district, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. India is the leading producer as well as exporter of tea in the world. The next beverage crop is coffee. India produces about 4% of the world's coffee. Indian coffee is known in the world for its good quality. The Arabica variety, initially brought from Yemen, is produced in India. This variety is of great demand in the world. Its cultivation was initially introduced on the Baba Budan hills, and even today its cultivation is confined to the Nilgiris in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Horticulture crops are the one where we cultivate fruits, vegetables, and flowers. India is the largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world. It produces all tropical as well as temperate fruits. Fruits like mango are grown in the states of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. Nagpur is famous for its oranges. Bananas are grown in Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Lychee and guava are grown in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Meghalayas are famous for its pineapples. Grapes of Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra are also famous. Apples, pears, apricots, and walnuts of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are the important fruits which are grown in India. India produces 30% of world's vegetables. It is an important producer of green peas, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato. Do you know India accounts to 10% of the world's fruit production? Rubber is an equatorial crop, but under special conditions, it is also grown in tropical and subtropical areas. It requires moist and humid climate with rainfall of more than 200 centimeters and temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. Rubber is an important industrial raw material. It is grown mainly in the states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andaman Nicobar Islands and Garo Hills of Meghalaya. India ranks 5th among the world's natural rubber producers. And the consumption of natural rubber is in the form of auto tires and tubes, cycle tires and tubes, footwears, belts, hoses, and in other forms. Finally, we are going to see about the fiber crops. Cotton, jute, hemp, and natural silk are the 4 major fiber crops grown in India. The first 3 are derived from the crops grown from the cultivation. But silk is a fiber obtained from cocoons of silkworms fed on green leaves, especially mulberry leaves. Rearing of silkworms for the production of silk fiber is known as sericulture. Next, we are going to see about the cotton. India is believed to be the original home of cotton plant. One of the main raw material for cotton textile industry is the cotton. India is the 3rd largest producer of cotton in the world. Cotton grows well in the drier parts of black soil of Deccan Plateau. It requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for growth. It is a kharif crop which requires 8 to 10 months to mature. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh are the major cotton producing states of India. Jute is known as the golden fiber. Jute grows well on well drained fertile soils in the floodplains where soils are renewed every year due to the floods. It needs high temperature during the time of growth. The states which produce jute are West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Orissa and Meghalaya. It is used in making gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn, carpets and other artifacts. Due to its high cost, it is losing market to synthetic fibers and packing materials, particularly the nylon. Here there is a link given where the video is shown about how they produce the jute from the jute crop, how the crops are grown and how they process it and how they make the artifacts. So you can watch this video from the description box what is given below. The link is given and if through that link you can watch that video of processing the jute. With this we come to an end of this part of the lesson. In the next part of the lesson we will see about the technological reforms, institutional reforms and about the food security. Thank you.